The city market buzzes with vibrant life. Stalls burst with colorful goods as vendors hawk wares amidst a lively symphony of languages. Noor Jewelers shines, its window display glittering necklaces and rings, drawing eyes despite their steep prices. Rana, the jeweler, radiates success behind the counter, her genuine smile a beacon of prosperity. A young girl, hand in hand with her mother, enters Noor Jewelers, her eyes wide with wonder at the dazzling display. "Uncle, this set is so lovely. Did you make it?" she asks, captivated by the gems. Rana replies, "My dear, I didn't make it. I just sell it." The girl asks, "Oh, then who makes it?" Inside the cramped workshop, gold dust glistens as Rana leads the girl and her mother toward Kashif. Rana explains, "My dear, this is the artisan. And in the shop outside, I am the jeweler. People often think the jeweler makes the jewelry, although the original creation is born from the hands of the artisan," Kashif adds.